Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Learning. Today we are going to explore the roadmap for backend developer with Python. What is backend? The backend is the server-side part of an application that manages data, logic, and security. It handles client requests, processes them, and interact with databases, providing APIs for front-end communication. Essentially, for functionality, it ensures seamless, secure user experience. Well, here is the prerequisite. First one is Python programming, including knowledge of syntax, data structure, and object-oriented programming concept. Then web framework such as Django or Flask used for building web application and APIs. Then database management. Understanding of database system like PostgreSQL, MySQL or SQLite, and experience in integrating database with Python application using ORMs, object relational mappers like SQL Alchemy. Knowledge of developing and consuming APIs, understanding RESTful principles, and possibly GraphQLs. Then version control. Proficiency with a version control system like Git for managing code-based changes as a team. Then basic front-end knowledge, understanding of front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript to collaborate effectively with front-end developers. Finally, development and DevOps, basic understanding of deploying Python application using platforms like Heroku, AWS, or Docker, and familiarity with basic DevOps practices. Then testing, familiarity with testing frameworks like PyTest and writing and running tests to ensure code quality and reliability. What is framework? A framework in Python is a collection of libraries and tools that provide a structured approach to building applications. It simplifies development by offering reusable components and enforcing standard practices. Framework enhance productivity by automating common tasks and include built-in security features. What is API? An API, application programming interface, is a set of protocols and tools that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. It defines the methods and data formats that applications can use to request and exchange information. API enables developers to integrate functionality from one application to another, facilitating efficient and standardized interactions between software components and systems. Frameworks in Python. The first one is a Django, high-level web framework for rapid development with built-in ORM, authentication, and admin interface. Then Flask, a lightweight micro framework with simplicity and flexibility for building web application and APIs. Then FastAPI, modern web app framework for building APIs with Python type hints, leveraging async capabilities for high performance. Then Pyramid, flexible web framework suitable for both small and large applications, known for its modular design and extensibility. Then Tornado, scalable non-blocking web server and framework ideal for real-time web applications and WebSocket-based services. CheerPy, minimalistic web framework providing an object-oriented interface for web applications in Python. If you are a beginner, then you can go with Flask. Flask is excellent for beginners due to its simplicity and minimalistic approach. It's easy to get started with and offers flexibility in structuring projects. Flask teaches fundamental concept of web development without overwhelming new learners. If you are in an intermediate level, then you can go with Django. Django is the ideal for intermediate developers looking to build more complex web applications. It provides a more opinionated structure compared to Flask, including built-in features like ORM, authentication, and admin interface. Django batteries included approach accelerates development and introduce best practice in web application architecture. And if you are a pro Python developer, then you can go with FastAPI. FastAPI is suitable for advanced developer familiar with asynchronous programming and Python's type hinting. PEP 484. It's designed for high-performance APIs and modern web application, leveraging Python's async queue for efficient input and output operations. Fast API, automatic API documentation, and strong typing support make it a powerful choice for advanced use cases. And about database, if you are a beginner, then go with SQLite, or intermediate, then PostgreSQL and MySQL. And if you are a pro, then MongoDB, Redis, and Cassandra is the best choice for databases. You can now download the PDF to understand and navigate through the different levels of backend development, beginners to advanced. I will paste this link below the description. You can go and download it.